हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज के हमारे वीडियो का टॉपिक है द इम्पोर्टेंट प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ फिजिक्स. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट अ वीडियो. First law of motion. It states that an object at rest or in uniform motion will remain at rest or in uniform motion unless an external force acts on it. Newton's second law of motion. It states that the magnitude of the resultant force on an object is directly proportional to the product of the mass of the object and its acceleration. Force mass into acceleration F is equal to m into a. Newton's third law of motion. It states that in an interaction between two bodies, the force exerted by the first body on the second is equal and opposite to that force exerted by the second body on the first. Newton's universal law of gravitation. Any two-point particles with masses meter 1 and meter 2 attract each other by a force whose magnitude is directly proportional to the product of the two masses, that is to meter 1 and meter 2, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. The direction of the force is along the line joining the two masses. Archimedes' principle. When a solid body is immersed either wholly or partially in a fluid, the loss in weight is equal to the weight of the fluid displayed by it. Conservation of energy. The principle of transformation of energy. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Only the form of energy is transferred or changed. Thus, total energy of the universe is constant. OHM's law. The current flowing through a wire is directly proportional to the potential difference between the ends of the wire, provided the physical conditions such as temperature, density, etc. remain the same. Pascal's law. The pressure of liquid is equal in all directions and falls or balanced condition. Law of rotatory force. When any mass is balanced and rotated round the center, clockwise rotational force is equal to anti-clockwise rotational force. Law of buoyancy. The weight of buoyant mass is equal to the dipped object. The gravitational central weight of the displaced liquid is in vertical direction. Law of conservation of momentum. When two or more than two objects collide with one another and if the external force is not applied, the algebraic sum of the total momentum is constant in any direction. Hooke's law. Under elastic limit, stress is directly proportional to the strain. Stefan's law. The rate of release of radiated energy is directly proportional to the fourth power of the absolute temperature.